Well, hopefully you guys have got your coffee and you got 10 minutes so we can just see what OG Rathman's up to today. Hey guys, we're going to do a review on this here ladder. It's a Bivatia, I guess. B-I-V-A-T-I-A. Bivatia. It's that one. You see this right here? What I'm showing you there? That's what it is. 8.5 foot ladder. Now the reason I got this one, because that don't have a ladder. So, I got picked this one out because it's 8.5 foot, and this is how she works. Just like that, and she's locked in, and it will hold my fat, skinny little body. And the thing I liked about it over the others, we did some research, is the others you had to click down each ladder as it goes. This one, you pull these in, like that, and down she comes. It's 8.5 foot tall, and it's just that dang simple. So far I like it. Clips like that. Walk up and get a better shot of it there, dear. Just walk right up here. I got my camera girl on the camera today. So you guys are gonna get it. You're getting good stuff. But there's what it is. I don't know how you say it. How would you say that? Bivatia.
I have no idea.
Bivatia, T-I-T-A. Whatever it is, I like it. I think it's a good brand. It seems to be very sturdy built. So I'm going to give this a thumbs up. It'll work great for what I want because it'll reach up to the top of my RV. And being that the new RVs don't come with ladders, but sometimes things break. There's my buddy over there. He wants to get out and play.
The neighbor's dog.
What's his name? Winston?
Winston.
Yeah, Winston. He wants to come and play. Great dog. Great dog. So anyway, that's what I'm going to throw this on here. It's very short. But I'm going to build a place to put it. But I don't want to put it on with this because this is just a review on it. Go to part 2 of this and you'll see where I'm putting it and how I'm putting it. But I'm impressed. It's heavy, good, well built. Only drawback is I wish it had a case, a little protective case for it. Doesn't have one, but I'm going to try and find one. So that's it for this review of the whatever that is. You'll see it.